Flying the square with the aircraft facing away from you makes the controls more natural and easier to learn because the aircraft's orientation is the same as yours. For this exercise, you need 4 cones positioned in a square. Take off from the pad and ascend to 5 feet. Maintain this altitude throughout the exercise. Fly to A and turn so that you are facing B. Fly in a straight line to B. Without turning, fly to the right in a straight line to C. Now fly backwards in a straight line to D. Repeat the exercise several times and then land on the pad. For an additional challenge, turn 90 degrees and fly the course, maintaining that orientation from start to finish.